In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to create regions by using the touch-align tool on a region map. So here on the screen, you will see we have territories already created. I also have these territories assigned to districts. So you can see here we've got our district map. And then when I open up a region map, you will see that it's all one color. And that's because no districts have been assigned to regions just yet. And there's a couple ways that you can create these assignments. You can use a hierarchy import, where you import zip to territory assignments, and also your territory to district and district to region assignments. You can also, in the district map view, right-click on a district, click on properties, and then add these districts manually to a region. You can also use the district lasso to lasso multiple districts to assign to regions, or if you're in the region map view and you turn on the touch-align tool, you can click and create regions just like that. So just by clicking and dragging the touch-align tool, I've assigned 3 districts to this region. And that's exactly what this number here means. It's showing you the span of control. Now you can't really tell where your district boundaries are right now. So let's go to Configure Layers and turn on the district boundaries. Select Districts and click here to make district boundaries visible. And we'll make that line a little bit thicker and make it appear when we've zoomed out, and click OK. So now you can see where all of your districts are. You can also use that same process to add a district label in the center of all these district shapes. So now if we wanted to expand this blue region to cover all of the East Coast, I would use the touch-align tool, click it and hold on that blue region, and bring it down to that southeastern part of the US. When I let go, that change has been set. So now let's create a new region here on the west. Using the touch-align tool, I'm simply going to click and move it. And just like that, we've assigned that entire district to this new region. So while holding down the left button on the mouse, I'm going to capture this California district and have it assigned to this region as well. And when I let go, we've made that change. And now let's create one final region here in the central area by clicking the touch-align tool and capturing all these districts, and then we let go. And just like that, we've used the touch-align tool to create 3 new regions. Now you will have to go ahead and rename your regions because by default, they are called region 1, 2, and 3. And you can rename each region by accessing the region properties by right-clicking on that region, clicking on properties, and renaming it in these 2 fields. Or you can open up a region table by clicking on the plus button and then tables and then region, and you can rename them here in this table view. And there you go. You've just learned how to create regions by using the touch-align tool.